Programming your F-150's HomeLink to your garage door is quick and easy. Here's how to do it. To start fresh, hold the two outer HomeLink buttons until the light flashes rapidly, about 5 to 10 seconds. This clears all stored codes. To program just one button without erasing others, press and hold the button for 20 seconds until the light flashes slowly. It's now ready to be programmed. Press and hold the desired HomeLink button and your garage door remote at the same time. Keep holding until the HomeLink light changes, solid for fixed code, flashing for rolling code. If it flashes, that means you have a rolling code. You need to push the Learn button on your garage door opener, then return to your truck and press the HomeLink button twice. On my Genie opener, the light starts solid green. Press the button, it turns blue, then flashes purple. That's your 30-second window to press the HomeLink button in your vehicle twice. Press the programmed button to check. If the door moves, you're all set. If your garage door doesn't open after programming a rolling code remote, try the following. Make sure you press the Learn button on the opener within 30 seconds of returning to your vehicle. Move your truck closer to the garage, especially if you're testing from far away. The signal range is shorter during initial programming. Hold the HomeLink button for a few seconds. Some openers need a longer press to activate the signal. Try pressing the HomeLink button up to 3 times. Some rolling code systems require multiple presses to complete the sync. Double check your garage opener brand and model. Some systems need an extra step, like holding the HomeLink button for 5+ seconds on the final press. If it still doesn't work, repeat the Learn button step on the garage opener and try again. Sometimes the Learn mode times out or doesn't catch the first signal.